For this cluster earring project, or maybe a waterfall earring project, I don't know the correct English word for it, but you will need a lot of things. You will need 12 of these spike cones. The larger one, they're 8mm and 5mm high. And then you will need 8 of these 4mm. They're oval shaped, both of them are. And you will need head pins for all of them, and you will need jump rings for all of them, and you will also need a piece of chain. Mine is somewhat like 5-6 centimeters long, and you will also need an ear hook. The first thing you're going to do is to make loops. Put all of the beads on a head pin and make loops. So that's what I'm going to do now. There you go. Now I put head pins on all the beads. And here's the chain. The first thing you do is to open your first jump ring, and you put the chain on and your ear hook. Like that, and then you close it. Like that. And then we start with the big beads. This is the tricky part. Going to put 2 beads in the jump ring. And preferably one on each side of the chain. There's one on. On the other side. There you go. And now you're going to put 2 in the chain under the jump ring. Got 1 on. Now you got 4 on those, and the next 2 we're going to do like this. We're going to skip 1 chain. We're going to skip that chain and put them 2 in the next there. I got it the right way. Yes. And close that one. Yeah. And the last one. You have to be patient when you work with project like this. It's a bit tricky, but you can do it. Now you got the bigger beads on. Now we're going to put the 4 small ones on. Now we're going to do it like this. We're going to skip 1 and put 1 bead in the chain. Skip 1 chain and put our smaller bead in the next chain. They're so tiny. That chain. Close it. And the next small chain, we'll put it directly under the first small one. Like that. And we have to close it. That. There's the third small bead. We will skip one. We will skip one chain and put it in the next. Like there, and we will close it. Like that. And we have one more chain. Oh, one more bead, I mean, not chain. Open it. And we put it in the last chain. Like that. And then we close it. Like that. Here's your cluster earring. And this is the other that I already made. A very nice pair.